Have you been wondering how to manage pests and disease in your greenhouse garden? A greenhouse provides a shielded environment that minimizes the risk of pests and diseases, ensuring the health and vitality of your plants. One of the primary advantages of a greenhouse is its ability to act as a physical barrier against common garden pests. The enclosed space of a greenhouse protects your plants from larger pests like rodents or rabbits that can damage or destroy your garden. By reducing the risk of pest infestations, a greenhouse allows your plants to grow without the constant threat of damage or loss. Not only does a greenhouse protect against pests, but it also minimizes the risk of diseases that can spread through windborne pathogens or contaminated soil. The controlled environment inside a greenhouse reduces the likelihood of fungal diseases that thrive in damp conditions. To maintain optimal plant health, it's important to practice good hygiene and cleanliness within the greenhouse. Regular monitoring and early intervention are crucial in maintaining a healthy environment. By practicing pest and disease control in your greenhouse, you can ensure your plants grow robustly and produce bountiful harvests. Stay tuned for a deep dive and learn how even a beginner can start their own greenhouse.